Hi guys, on the 16th of March, a missile exploded over North Korea. Okay, North Korea was trying to launch a missile as a military test, and the missile exploded for some reason. It has happened over North Korea, as you guys can read it there. We don't know whether there was any damage to uh, over the towns where it was exploded, or whether anything was killed. As you know, it's North Korea. They don't tell anything to media or things like that. So the point here, guys, let me recap. While North Korea was launching a missile, a ballistic missile, on the 16th of March, it exploded due to some technical issue or whatever failures that could have been. And we have no report, of course, it's North Korea, whether people were killed on the ground or whether there was any material damage. Okay. Now, guys, this is magic. What I dreamed in September 2021, meaning a few months before. I hope you guys can read it there. The title is Explosion in North Korea. I'll let you guys read the rest. Let me try to switch off this light. Now I think it's better. I'll let you guys read the rest. So I knew it, guys. God tell me in my dreams that there is going to be some sort of explosion in North Korea. I could not get it exactly what it is. It was a bit confusing for me in my dreams. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I'm so tired. And I can't remember things. So I knew it, there will be some sort of explosion, missile, ammunition, or whatever it could be. And it has happened the same thing, guys. See where I am. I am in United States. And where is North Korea? In the east coast of Asia. And I knew what's going to happen there. Please watch it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.